Sideswiping a Tesla, hitting a John Deere, not missing exits, wrong way drivers, and even the occasional attempted insurance scam, we've got it all. So buckle up for another adrenaline-packed episode of Dashcam Media.
We like that when they do that, but no, I don't think anybody's. But what the psychology of the Milwaukee fan is, we can't have nice things. We suck. We never win the big ones. It's what an awful place this is.
Right from the static to bridge control.
Yeah, they're keeping the stadium.
You're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you.
The White House. And Jenny, you have been reporting out of Nevada. So just to begin with, put that overall picture for us.
I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain. Only one that
It's like oh my gosh. Damn, they just hit each other.
Whoa.
when you're loving me, it goes like
That's the get inside someone's head question. Is it awesome to you? How did it feel? He did, and I would tell you though, there's something he doesn't remember. There is a difference between I disagree with that. I don't care that.
Fucking God, idiot.
Memo, Papa.
That's 4.
Uncle Well.
5.
Josh.
6, 7.
Zelia.
8. Oh!
I will be at my mom and papa shortly. Ah, shit.
What?
Somebody just hit me. them?
Yeah.
Are you fucking stupid? Go. You go through the lights. Don't cause another accident, Mark.
It goes like I never thought I'd find it. A love that feels so perfect. I can't even word it. Yeah, you.
Oh my god.
Hello.
Hey, that stray cat.
I'm just trying to figure out where this is coming from. I got ran over red.
God damn it! Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh my god.